Good day, everyone. My name is Mandy and I'm from Electrosonic. I am a Pro AV audiovisual key account manager at Electrosonic. And today I'm actually going to take you through our MAXHUB Teams Rooms solution. It's actually a very innovative solution designed by MAXHUB. It is Teams Room certified, and there are various solutions that, like I said, that is tailor-made, that we can be able to fit into any of your requirements and solutions that you require. As I mentioned before, these Teams Room solutions, the Microsoft Teams Room solutions, come in various shapes and sizes. There is a basic kit, which consists of the touch panel and the PC. But the one that I am going to chat to you around is the Kit 3. I'm going to talk around the components of the MAXHUB Microsoft Teams Room solution. The first thing I'm going to chat around is this mini PC, which is actually the brain of the Microsoft Teams Room solution. It handles the hardware, it runs the Microsoft Teams software, handles audio, video processing, meeting scheduling, and other collaboration functions. The 10-inch touchscreen display is actually the interface for controlling the Microsoft Teams Room system. It allows meetings to view meeting schedules, share content, interact with other participants during the meeting. The next component I'm going to talk about is the camera. So this camera captures high quality video of participants in the room. It enables video conferencing, supports features such as speaker tracking, so it means when the camera will move around to somebody who is speaking in the room. It has auto framing for a static picture, and all of these to enhance the Teams Room experience. The microphone array captures audio from meeting participants and the room environment. It ensures clear, intelligible audio and video conferencing, and supports features such as noise suppression and echo cancellation. I'm going to demonstrate how easy and seamless it is to connect to a Microsoft Teams meeting. I'm going to show you our 10-inch touch panel and the various features it has on here. It's very, very simple. It has a volume button where you can increase your volume. It has a Meet Now functionality where you can call somebody through a video call, a normal voice call, and also you can invite people, or you can join a meeting using the ID that you normally get when you receive a Teams meeting request. So I'm going to call my colleague, Terry, through a video call. Really a very simple, easy process. I can invite Terry, just putting in her details. I can request her to join. The panel is calling Terry. Hi Terry, how are you doing?
Hi Mandy, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. So on the screen, as you can see, Terry is on our top right hand corner, but we've got such amazing real estate to work on here, because this is a MAXHUB 21 by 9 inch panel, which is specifically designed by MAXHUB for this specific type of Teams meeting room environment. It has, like I said, amazing real estate to work with. It's has enhanced user experience for participants that are within the room and those that have dialed in. Terry, are you able to see my document that I'm sharing with you?
Yes, it looks like a MAXHUB Microsoft Teams Rooms document.
That's correct. This is our data sheet actually for Microsoft Teams, designed by MAXHUB, and it talks around how easy it is to deploy, use and manage this MAXHUB Microsoft Teams Room solution in any environment. Terry, thank you so much for joining this meeting and allowing me to share this documentation with you. And yeah, I will email it to you as soon as I'm done.
Thank you, Mandy. Thanks for the call.
Thank you, Terry. Bye.
Bye.
I've been able to demonstrate to you over the last couple of minutes how easy and simple it is to put together a comprehensive, user-friendly Microsoft Teams solution and meeting. Electrosonic has various types of MAXHUB Microsoft Teams Room solutions that are beneficial and more effective, whatever your requirements are.
If you would like a live demo, please feel free to contact us, and anybody in our sales team will be more than willing to assist you with your requirements or assist with building a tailor-made solution for your organization.